Hello everyone, this is Dave Park with a video about how I came up with the Arduneuron series. Now, you know about neurons, right? And about how they all fire around and stuff and make you think. Well, I came up one day with the idea that maybe I should just make one. And you're probably thinking about what? And how that this face really represents you right now. That, how do you make one of these? Now, a couple of years ago, I came in my physics class, being a sophomore in high school. I played with my TI-83 and came up with a program that basically went through a maze and learned how to do it. Now, I faced the problem of that the AI didn't want to do stuff correctly. So eventually, after toying around with the maze enough, it eventually just got mad and broke through the maze itself that I created virtually. And it would just wander around aimlessly until I quit the program. And naturally, after that, I kind of felt like this until a few years later, whenever I went into college. I took classes with my major being a mechanical engineer. They also taught me how to do programming. So I learned C++, also Mathematica and MATLAB whenever I was doing research for some of the Navy stuff I do. And since I was doing these, I came up and found some of the stuff that they could do, and that really brought me back into doing AI. So naturally, being the president of ODU Robotics at the time, whenever I came across these, I basically started the Arduneuron series, or the Neuron project in the ODU Robotics Club, so we could get programming for our robots with artificial intelligence. Now, the first part of the series is Arduneuron G1, and this is basically the first attempt at the neural network intelligence that we've got going on right now for the Arduino. Now, this is a C++ code that I wrote for the Arduino, and it's a library just for it. And basically, I just hook up stuff to the Arduino, and I can get an artificial intelligence like you might see on another one of my videos. And basically, this brain itself is able to sense pain and be able to learn how not to act in ways that cause pain. So that's how the first Arduneuron brain worked. Now, I came up with Arduneuron G2, which is basically a full functioning brain, but the only problem is, since that I implemented and relied on evolution, it takes hours for the brain to figure out a proper format for the neurons to be laid out in, just like your regular brain. Now, I'm currently working on Arduneuron G3, which is a better suited brain for higher-end programmers. Now, the Arduneuron G1 is very useful for people who don't know very much about programming and want to have a basic AI. But Arduneuron G3 is only for people who can do like neural architecture and advanced time interrupts and all that kind of crazy stuff that goes on into the high-end programming languages. So that's what Arduneuron G3 is currently being programmed as. And in Arduneuron G4, there's going to be swarm intelligence implemented, as well as genetic coding and evolution coding for the brain itself to find the maximum intelligence it can achieve, along with sending out a lot of really dumb brains to go out and figure out systems, and a main brain that's able to learn how to lead those brains and figure out the best way to solve problems quickly and efficiently. Now, that's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching.